Good morning, kids! Welcome back to our science class. If you could take all the vessels out and line them up end to end, they could measure 96,600 kilometers. The blood vessels. The blood vessels are the vast network of small tubes that carry blood throughout your body. They are like water pipes that carry water to the different places. Types of blood vessels. Arteries. Arteries are blood vessels that carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. The oxygen-rich blood leaves the left side of the heart. Arteries have a thick, elastic middle layer wall to withstand the high pressure of blood as it surges from the heart with each beat. Arteries are located deeper in our body. The largest artery is the aorta. Arteries are divided many times, becoming smaller and smaller until the smallest arteries, called arterioles, are formed. The arterioles then connect with the smallest blood vessels, the capillaries located within the tissues and the organs of the body. Arteries carry bright red blood. The color of this blood comes from the oxygen that it carries. Red blood cells are red because they contain a protein called hemoglobin, which is bright red in color. Veins. Veins are thin-walled and floppy blood vessels. They carry oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. The blood that flows through the veins contains carbon dioxide. Within the veins, the blood loses most of its pressure after passing through the microscopic capillaries. The largest vein is the vena cava. Veins subdivide many times, becoming smaller and smaller until the smallest vein, called venules, are formed. The venules are connected to the other end of the capillaries within the tissues and the organs of the body. Unlike the arteries, veins are superficially located in our body tissues. Look at the top surface of your hands. The blood vessels you see at the surface are veins. Capillaries. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels. They are so thin that blood cells pass through them in a single file. They serve as a connection between arteries and veins. When blood passes through them, oxygen, food nutrients, and waste pass in and out through capillary walls. Take a look on this illustration. Take note on how the exchange of food, gases, and nutrients occur in the capillaries. Oxygen, food, and waste enter and leaves the blood only through the microscopic capillaries. As red blood cells move through a capillary, the hemoglobin component of the blood releases its oxygen. The oxygen and food then diffuse through the capillary wall and enter your cells. Carbon dioxide and other waste diffuse from the cells back into the capillary. Then your blood carries this waste away. That ends our lesson for today. I hope you learned a lot. And on the next video lesson, I'll be discussing blood circulation. If you are new in my channel, click the subscribe button